cooking, everyone.
It's hilarious cooking.
Doesn't matter. Today we are going to be making
Purkey Turkey Sugar Cookies. And we have these extra rocks that once we're done,
we're going to make them look like we're walking on rocks. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to introduce ourselves. I'm Caitlin. And I'm Lauren.
Welcome to Hilarious Cooking.
Again.
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to open up our Purkey Turkey box.
And we're going to explain what it comes with.
It comes with 8 cookies, 8 Purkey Turkey eggs. I said 8 cookies.
Well, here's what the cookies look like.
And it comes with 3 bags of sprinkles.
And these Purkey Turkey heads, these are chocolate.
And then we got a bag of icing.
It's yellow.
Yeah.
And now, let's get through the steps. The first step of making these are washing your hands,
Because it's going to be just a lot. First! Step
is to get out your sugar. Scissor time.
Oh. Hey, folks. All right.
Just leave it like
And
that.
guys, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, so every single time we make a new video, it notifies you. And like the video. Let's see if we can get to 100 likes in one day.
Just leave it like this and we can grab it.
But I definitely won't be able to do it, but who cares? So we're gonna grab our cookies.
Oh my gosh.
Oh! Broken cookie! Alert! Broken cookie!
You get the broken cookie.
Okay. Cookie.
Next step
I'm
is
gonna icing it
to put
together.
these in separate bowls. So, these are separate.
Well, that's at least what it says on the instructions. I don't know why we would put these in separate bowls. I just thought we could grab them out of a bag. But apparently we can't.
Okay.
So we already have a batch of cookies, but you know, our mom made those.
Okay. We've got all 3 of those.
There's a lot of colors in here, and there's red ones in here, and then there are orange ones in here. Do you think we should put a little bit of rocks on our plate?
No, you put them in a container once we're done. Before we
Okay.
Okay. Now we need to cut a little tip on the piping bag.
And I really need this because my cookie broke in half. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this and do it across. Do you not know how to cut things? And I'm going to put it back together. Caitlin! You didn't cut it big enough hole. It's not going through.
Technical difficulties.
Thank you. I wish it was locked. Am I okay?
It looks like mustard.
I'm gonna nail it right now.
It's water.
I'm gonna nail it. Oh! Which way do I do it? Ah! This way?
And then you ice where the feathers are.
I'm not doing it. Okay, over here.
Yeah, I need a knife. Ah. You need a knife to spread
It
this.
is okay.
We're okay. It's called technical difficulties.
It's okay, everyone. This might be a bad video, after all.
Don't worry.
But we're bad people. No, we're not. We're okay.
Nickel. Difficulties.
So they can see.
We're actually bad cookers, not bad people. Take that back.
I'm not a bad cooker.
Well, that's some good ice in there.
Where does it taste like bananas? It looks like bananas. Taffy.
Actually, kind of tastes like lemons.
Ew, I hate lemon. Lemon meringue. Gross.
Let's see what I did to the back.
It looks like mustard.
Do you have any shout outs to do today, Caitlin? Well, thanks, Olivia, for being the first person to say something in the comments. That was very nice of you.
Yes, in our first video that we were in.
Yeah. This might not turn out so good after all. I think I'm already failing, guys.
Ugh.
My cookie looks like a
Mustard.
No, my cookie just looks like a sandwich.
Time
a sandwich.
for me to
I know I'm crazy, right?
add my sprinkles on. So first color is
I'm not doing
Just
anything. Don't
random,
look at
like-
me.
random like freestyle.
You gotta check to make sure it's good. And you know what? I wash my hands. I can go get some hand sanitizer.
Why are you using the broken one? Use the unbroken one.
Okay, I will.
That will be the end of turkey.
Yeah, and I'll just eat it while I'm working.
That's not fair. Well, then I get the extra head.
What? There is no extra.
Gotta get this until all the yellow is gone. Go away, yellow.
I'm just gonna.
Don't wanna see you again, yellow.
So the yellow just kind of acts like sticky glue.
Yes.
It's not even supposed to really show. You're supposed to cover it with sprinkles.
Okay.
So
Next
I
color
have
is
never done this before. So please.
Careful, don't break that one.
I'm not. I'm okay.
red is my favorite color.
I'm precautioned.
So
I don't even know what I'm
I
doing.
don't know.
Are we,
I mean, if there's any extra red, I'll probably.
do we look like we're at a bakery?
Yeah. Do we look like we're professionals?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I
Oh, yes, we are professionals.
yeah, we're totes professional. We didn't just go to Target and buy this.
Yeah, not at all. We went across the world. Across
Across the whole entire
space.
world.
On all the planets. So, yeah.
There you go. So I think obviously I did better. Mine looked like a clam.
You covered it all the way. I know, I covered it all the way. Okay,
Yeah,
that's
okay.
good. And next is orange. I don't really like orange flavored things. It's just orange.
So on the tips of the wings, I'm
No,
gonna
it doesn't
put the
taste like
very
orange.
colorful one.
Tastes like Pop Rocks.
And then I will be putting different colors.
These might be Pop Rocks, I don't know. If they are, I like them.
We're gonna go for the red wing. And then another red wing.
This turkey is going so far. And he's dropping a lot. But yeah, he's beautiful. Stick on. If you're not going on, go off.
This is one of the worst videos I've ever done.
There we go. We got all the extras off, and there's my turkey so far.
Hey, coming up next, by the way, we might have a cupcake video, how to make turkey cupcakes.
Yes. Turkey cupcakes.
So go watch that if we make one. That's gonna happen, right, dude? Probably will. We like sweets.
Did I just grab the red?
I don't know.
Yes, I did.
I want to head now.
I get ahead!
Okay. Because I am...
Man, you did horrible. You didn't even try.
No, you'll see. You'll see. Oh, and in the comments, vote who you think did better, me or Caitlin. Obviously, everywhere you look, you're going to see Lauren.
Yeah, well,
Team
actually, she
Lauren
said that last time, and hashtag Team Banana Buckets, my team, won.
It's not sticking.
I know it's supposed to. Let me get the extra goodness off. That's not sticking. Okay. Now it's time. What are you doing over there? I'm taking your extra head. I'm taking your extra head.
I failed, guys.
I'm taking your extra head. Extra head time, Lauren. I'm gonna need
Do
it.
you want to give me a napkin?
Here, we can break this in half.
Please get me a napkin. My turkey friend. It's nice to see you again. You're done.
What was
That
that?
was the extra turkey, and I thought it was chocolate, but then I tasted it. I'm like,
What was it?
oh,
Was it good?
no,
She spit it out.
it wasn't good at all.
What?
I don't like turkey heads. I don't want to eat one of these, but I like turkey heads. Well, I'm going to eat the cookie, but not the turkey head. I thought it was chocolate. Now let's get the mini turkey nuggets. I should have looked at the back. Look at that.
What made you think it was chocolate?
This! It looks exactly like chocolate. No.
Let's get a different angle.
Different angle.
These disgusting turkey heads. Oh. You know what? I'm just gonna start putting chocolates right.
And we'll
Here, I
put that
think-
there.
Yes, that is icing.
Like
So-
that.
Oh,
And
gosh, I
put
did that again, didn't I?
this like that. And then we will put some of the colorful ones back.
Here's the egg. Here, what? All right. What do you need, my little turkey friend? Oh, yeah, the front.
Those are looking like real turkeys.
Here's my turkey. Why did I eat that?
There's my turkey. My fresh turkey. Do I put them in
Hold
there?
it up again. Very nice.
Mine has rocks on it.
That's a Purkey turkey.
Yes. His name is Fred.
All right. This is Bob, everyone.
That looks like Bob.
He's got a little beak that I put a rock there. So.
Bob's a good job,
Now, do I
Bob.
put them in the container?
Yeah, you can set them in here. For now.
Okay. I'm gonna eat you later.
Go ahead and Lauren, go ahead and put some rocks in it.
Oh. Can I have some more? Do you mind if I eat this?
No, go ahead.
That's delicious. I have such a good time. Yes, please get out of my way.